If you want to move around your design more easily, this video is going to show you exactly how to change your view in Tinkercad step by step. Whether you want to rotate, pan, zoom, or jump to a perfect top view, Tinkercad gives you a few simple ways to control the camera. And once you understand these controls, working on your projects becomes much faster and a lot more comfortable. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first way to change your view in Tinkercad is by using your mouse. To orbit or rotate your view around the workspace, simply right-click and drag anywhere on the workplane. This is really useful when you want to look at your design from another angle without changing anything on the model itself. If you want to pan, which means sliding your view left, right, up, or down, hold Shift and right-click while dragging. You can also press and hold the mouse scroll wheel while moving the mouse to pan around the screen. This is helpful when your design moves off-center and you want to bring it back into view. Next is zooming. To zoom in, roll the mouse scroll wheel forward. To zoom out, roll it backward. This lets you quickly get close to small details or pull back to see your full project. Now let's talk about keyboard shortcuts, because they can save you a lot of time. If you want to fit everything in view, just press F. This instantly centers the camera on the selected object, or if nothing is selected, it will fit all objects in the workspace. That's one of the fastest ways to get back on track when your design gets lost on the screen. You can also return to the starting perspective by clicking the home icon, which looks like a little house on the left toolbar. This is great if your camera gets rotated in a way that feels confusing and you just want to reset things quickly. Another powerful tool is the ViewCube, which you'll find in the top left corner of Tinkercad. You can click and drag the ViewCube to rotate your view, or you can click on specific faces, like top, front, or right, to snap instantly to that exact side. This is especially useful when you need a precise flat angle for aligning shapes or checking measurements. And if you want to switch between a realistic 3D look and a more technical flat view, use the button at the bottom of the left-hand toolbar. Toggling between perspective and flat, also called orthographic view, can help depending on what kind of work you're doing. Perspective is great for visualizing a finished model, while flat view is better for accuracy and alignment. So, to quickly recap, use right-click drag to orbit, Shift plus right-click to pan, the mouse wheel to zoom, F to fit everything in view, the home icon to reset, the ViewCube to snap to a side, and the view toggle to switch between perspective and flat. Once you get used to these controls, navigating Tinkercad becomes much easier and much faster. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Tinkercad and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.